Hey everyone, today we will show you how to easily and effectively clean your oven so that it looks like new again. It is not as difficult as it may seem if you know a couple of secrets. To begin with, we will need all the necessary tools. Take a soft sponge or cloth, an old toothbrush for hard-to-reach places, and a kitchen detergent. If the dirt in the oven is very ingrained, you can use special oven cleaners. Also, do not forget about gloves. They will protect your hands from chemicals and dirt. Before you begin, remove all remaining dishes and racks from the oven. This will help you work with maximum comfort and accuracy. If the racks are very dirty, you can soak them in warm water with detergent for a few minutes. Now, let's move on to the oven itself. Let's start with the outside. First, wipe the door and panel from the outside using a soft cloth and detergent. For particularly stubborn stains, you can use a paste of baking soda and water. It copes well with grease and food stains. Now let's move on to the inside of the oven. If you have heavily soiled areas, such as dried grease or food residue, spray the detergent and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes to soften the dirt. Then use a sponge or cloth to gently remove the dirt. Once all the dirt has been removed, wipe all surfaces with a clean damp cloth to remove any remaining detergent. It is important not to leave detergents inside the oven to avoid an unpleasant smell the next time you turn it on. The last step is to simply wipe the oven with a dry cloth to make it shine and put the racks back in place. That's it. Now your oven is ready to use again and looks like new. A clean kitchen is a guarantee not only of beauty, but also of safety. Good luck with cleaning and don't forget to keep your kitchen equipment clean. See you in the next video. Bye bye.